Congratulations on your new Tesla Powerwall 3 system. In this video, we're going to cover all of the steps to successfully turn everything on. Step 1, first you will want to go ahead and open up your main electric panel and then locate your system's breaker. Once you find this breaker, make sure it's flipped into the on position. Step 2, there will be one or multiple disconnect boxes outside next to your main electric panel as well. You will want to flip this lever on these disconnects from the off into the on position. Step 3, depending on how your system was installed and if you have multiple power walls installed, steps 3 and steps 4 may or may not apply to your setup. If your system was installed with a Tesla gateway like shown, you may have a breaker or two located inside this gateway as well. So go ahead, open it up and make sure this breaker inside is turned on. Some of you may have had your system installed with Tesla's backup switch or meter collar like shown. If that is the case, then you will not have a gateway, therefore you can skip that step. Step 4, let's move over to where your power walls are installed. This might be outside next to the main panel, this might be inside your garage, or another part of your home. This step is only for those of you who had multiple power walls installed. So if you just had one power wall, you do not need to worry about this step. You're going to want to locate the power wall's combiner panel, which is a small sub panel that looks like this. Open it up and then make sure all of the individual breakers inside of this combiner panel are also turned on. There will be one breaker per power wall. Step 5, let's stay near the power walls and confirm if there are any more disconnects that need to be flipped on like in step 2. Step 6, walk over to the left side of the power wall and then locate the on-off switch. It'll have a little cover that you need to flip open and then turn that switch on. If you're having a hard time flipping that cover open, use a flathead screwdriver, and that usually does the trick. You will need to do this for each of the power walls that you have installed. Once turning the power wall on, if everything was turned on properly, you should see the Tesla T on the battery light up. And at this point, your Powerwall system is now online. Important to note, if you do have an expansion pack, that will not light up when it's turned on. It actually doesn't have an on-off switch either. You only need to turn on the Powerwalls, and then the expansion packs will not have a light, so don't worry about that. Your Powerwall 3 is registered to the email that we have on file, and you should have received a registration email or text from us. If you haven't received that at this point in time, please create an account with that exact same email that we have on file. Thanks again. Don't hesitate to reach out if there's anything else that we can do to assist.